Here it is. So guys, today I'm actually gonna be wrenching on the car. So here's the old radiator. But we got this. Got it all unboxed. What we did last time, we got the car started, but it would not go over 3,000 RPM. I did actually clean the car. There's actually no spiders, as you can see. We gotta get this car running. But first, we're gonna be taking the freaking radiator out. If we pull this thing off, you can see this thing right in the middle. Something about the air mat flow system. I don't know if it's broken or if it's just dirty. The biggest change I want for this car, I want to take all of this off of the 2JZ. I want to show the 2JZ off. I don't want all this just being here. Like, move all this, put it to the side. That's so sick. We do have a 2JZ right here. We got the radiator right here. And first, I gotta do a thumbnail. I guess now it's time to install this radiator instead of messing around. If the 10 mil doesn't work, just go back down to the 9. Oh, wrong side. Rookie mistake. But 9 doesn't work. There we go. Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take your radiator off. No way this radiator is being held on by a zip tie right now. This big thick line right here, maybe I had to take that off. Yeah, I don't know if there is fluid or not. There's really nothing in here. I don't know if it's supposed to be topped off right here or what. We'll get a flat bucket, put it under there, catch all the radiator stuff. Oh, we got the drain pan. Let's go into race mode. Green. That part's metal. Let's go. So dusty, dude. My allergies are gonna go crazy. There we go. There we go. Okay, this minus some of that. I don't know if this is what radiator fluid's supposed to look like, but so all it is just lefty loosey. Oh, God. I'm making a mess. Oh, finally getting it drained. Why is this guy just so chill right here? Let's wash off real quick. That fluid smells good. And let's wait for it to drain all the way out, and we'll actually take off the radiator. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider. You're dead. I don't hear it dripping that much now. Fruit snack. Please sponsor me. Ugh, melty. Gotta unplug this part. We gotta take this part out. Kind of looks like it's broken right here. I think the fuses are these right here, and we gotta unplug them because they plug into the fans. Oh, that is crusty. Where's the flashlight, dude? I can't see the fuses. So this is the last resort. All you have to do is just put it in between here. I really wish I could use both hands right now. Yes, dude. This part should be on the top of it. You'll just press down. You see this little black part in the middle? You just push it down. It should come out. Right over here. Don't worry, it's just. So you gotta take off these 2 hoses right here. Twist it on off. Oh, geez. Are we good? Let's hurry up and get the second one off. I'm gonna use this to bash my skull. We got it. Oh, yes. Yes, dude. Finally got it out. Look at this. I don't think I have to take this part out. This is a new radiator. I don't think I actually showed you guys this. You know, wasp nest right here just chilling. We're gonna put the fan shrouds onto this one. So while I took off the fan shroud, this fan's all good. Does whatever fans do, you know? This one, it don't do fan things. Absolutely topped off.
better go back down in there and get some plastic epoxy.
It has been maybe a few days since I've last seen the project car GS300. Since the last clip on this thing, something's changed. I actually got a battery for it this time. Dude, you cannot convince me that is radiator fluid. That looks like oil. So since the next drift event at Cam's is going to be in October, I can do more stuff. Probably like install a handbrake, maybe even manual stop it by then, but that just costs money. And also I could weld the diff in this because I'm pretty sure it's an open diff. My papa generously got some Bondo on this thing. We got some Bondo right here on the fan and this crack. And he also plugged this in, and he actually told me that both fans do in fact work, so. And it fits, kind of. It looks like we got bolt. You can't really see it on camera, but there's the bolt right there. And all the bolt holes are in the same pattern as the old radiator. You can also see the same bolt patterns on this radiator. Matches with these holes. But I can kind of fit these on pretty nicely, the bottom ones. If we go to the top ones, they are literally a mile of width apart. This part getting stuck right here. Should just be able to put this right down into there. It just screws right on, you know? Then you just have to tighten it. That we can still use some parts off of this, put back onto this, so I don't have to buy any other tiny little parts. Now that this is off from that little part, go over here. I'm not sure what this part really does, but so I just put both radiators right next to each other. Here we go, right here. This one just does not slide on easily. It looks like it's being hit right here. It's like not sliding back, but the thing is, it can't slide back. These holes are already matching up. I might have to do some cutting and some shaving right here because, yeah, that's just not working. The spiders just won't stop coming into the shop. I have to go out to dinner. I'm not gonna stay in this 120 degree shop because I feel like I'm a Chinese sweatshop worker, man. There it is. Papa came, he helped me. Now it kind of fits nice and snug. There we go. That one's a click. Put on some of these pipings, tighten it up and stuff. Then we are good to go. I finally got it on, not starting, because we don't have any radiator fluid. Fans work. Oh yeah, that is blowing cold air. Both of them are running. Takes a lot.
Mm-hmm.
All right, stop.
Is that bad?
Let's just turn it on, maybe. Oh, it's maybe no gas. I don't know. There we go. The water is like right there. Just the thing is, I don't know how much water we need in here at a time. I don't want it to, you know, explode. I already feel some heat. A temp or AC. Go down. Rev it to 2500 RPMs. Dang, you got air conditioning down here, that's cool. Still overflowing. There it is. I'll let it go to at least that marker right there. it does rise up kind of quickly. I think about 2,500 to 3,000, whatever it is, where it should be at for the radiator. Tomorrow I'll go back out here whenever it's cold, start it up again, probably add some more water, get more bubbles out, and I think I'm doing it right. No leaks. Okay, I'll let it sit and idle for like, I don't know, 10 to 15 minutes just then. And it's just doing this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be seeing you guys some other point with this car being 100%. I need to change the oil. I might just do that today. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.